Are we trapped on Earth forever? Imagine this. Humanity survives for another 1 million years. Our technology becomes almost unrecognizable. We build cities on Mars, mine asteroids, maybe even colonize distant planets. But here's the terrifying question. Will we ever escape our solar system? Or are we trapped around one ordinary star forever? The answer is far more complicated and far more fascinating than most people realize. Let's start with what NASA has already accomplished. In 1977, NASA launched Voyager 1. Today, it's the most distant human-made object ever built. It has traveled for nearly 5 decades and has entered interstellar space, the region beyond the sun's protective bubble called the heliosphere. Yet despite this incredible achievement, Voyager hasn't actually left the solar system yet. That's because the solar system extends much farther, possibly all the way to the distant Oort cloud. At its current speed, Voyager 1 could take around 300 years just to reach the inner edge of the Oort cloud, and perhaps 30,000 years to travel beyond it. Think about that. The fastest object humanity has ever built hasn't even finished leaving home. So why is escaping so difficult? Because space isn't just big, it's unimaginably big. The nearest star to Earth, Proxima Centauri, is about 4.2 light-years away. If you traveled as fast as Voyager 1, the journey would take tens of thousands of years. And that's only the closest star. The Milky Way itself is about 100,000 light-years across. Even if we could somehow travel at 10% of the speed of light, far faster than any spacecraft humans have ever built, it would still take about 1 million years to cross our galaxy. That's not because our engines are weak. It's because the universe is astonishingly vast. So, does NASA think interstellar travel is impossible? No, but it does recognize that human travel to another star is beyond today's technology. NASA scientists and engineers continue researching advanced propulsion concepts, including solar sails, nuclear propulsion, and other future technologies that could dramatically shorten travel times. The laws of physics don't say we can never leave the solar system. They say we'll need technology far beyond what exists today. For now, robotic spacecraft are our pioneers. The Voyagers are proving that reaching interstellar space is possible. The next challenge is doing it faster. Much, much faster. But here's the biggest question of all. Even if one day we reach another star, could we ever leave the Milky Way? Our galaxy contains hundreds of billions of stars. Beyond it lies intergalactic space, an almost empty ocean stretching millions of light-years before the next major galaxy. With everything we know today, that journey is beyond our reach. So, are we trapped on Earth forever? No. Are we trapped within our current technology? Absolutely. History has repeatedly shown that today's impossible can become tomorrow's engineering challenge. For now, humanity's greatest voyage has only just begun. And somewhere in the darkness between the stars, Voyager 1 is still carrying a small golden record, a silent reminder that one tiny world dared to wonder what lies beyond.